my molecular machine of Christmas is the ribosome. The ribosomes are very, very important because they are the protein factories of every single living cell across every species. We can imagine a ribosome as a very, 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 very tiny elf toy workshop, but instead of building toys, they are assembly proteins. And why the proteins are so important? Because the proteins are the building blocks of life. Proteins are everywhere, in your hair, in your eyes, in your digestive system, all around, and in every single species. So without ribosomes, life won't be possible. Actually, it is likely that the ribosomes are as old as life on Earth. So you can imagine how important they are. So the ribosomes read instructions, and they take in the right order the different units of the protein to build a long chain. And in the same way that the Christmas elves are helping Santa to build the toys, the ribosomes are helping you to be you. Thanks for watching, and please come back tomorrow for the next molecular machine.